Space is vast, mysterious, and largely unexplored. For decades, astronauts have been our eyes in the cosmos, witnessing phenomena beyond imagination. But not everything they see has a simple explanation. Today, we're diving into the top 5 unexplained astronaut encounters, stories that remain baffling to even the most seasoned space experts. These are not just mere glitches or technical anomalies, these are first-hand accounts from highly trained individuals. Buckle up, because the truth might be stranger than fiction. Number 5. Neil Armstrong's UFO sighting on Apollo 11. We all know Neil Armstrong as the first man to set foot on the moon. But did you know that Armstrong and his fellow astronauts reportedly saw something strange during the Apollo 11 mission? As they approached the moon, Armstrong allegedly spotted a UFO watching their every move. While NASA has never officially confirmed this account, many believe the astronauts were not alone during their historic mission. Armstrong himself was always cryptic when asked about what he saw. Did he witness alien life observing humanity's first steps on another world? Number 4. The strange music heard on Apollo 10. In May 1969, just 2 months before the famous moon landing, the Apollo 10 mission was a final dress rehearsal. But as the astronauts orbited the far side of the moon, something eerie happened. Something that none of them could explain. Through their headsets, they heard an unusual space music, a high-pitched, almost eerie whistling sound. The transmission lasted for nearly an hour, baffling the crew. NASA later chalked it up to interference. But the astronauts weren't convinced. Was it just a technical glitch, or was something else making contact? Number 3. The Black Knight Satellite. For over 50 years, stories have swirled around the mysterious object known as the Black Knight Satellite. Some believe it's an ancient alien probe orbiting Earth, watching humanity since the dawn of civilization. In 1998, when astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour captured images of a strange object in low Earth orbit, conspiracy theorists pointed to it as proof of the Black Knight's existence. NASA dismissed the object as space debris, but the odd, almost artificial-looking structure left many wondering, is the Black Knight real? And if so, who or what put it there? Number 2. Major Gordon Cooper's UFO encounter. In 1963, during the Mercury Atlas 9 mission, astronaut Gordon Cooper experienced something that still raises eyebrows today. As Cooper was making his 22nd orbit around the Earth, he reported seeing a glowing green object rapidly approaching his spacecraft. The object was also detected by the tracking station in Mooshea, Australia. Cooper's sighting made headlines worldwide, but NASA remained quiet, refusing to acknowledge the incident publicly. Later in life, Cooper spoke out about his belief in UFOs, claiming that the government had been covering up extraterrestrial encounters for decades. Could Cooper's mysterious object be part of this cover-up? Number 1. The UFO sightings on Skylab 3. In 1973, the crew of Skylab 3, NASA's second manned mission to the space station, reported something that continues to mystify researchers. Astronauts Alan Bean, Owen Garriott, and Jack Lousma saw several unidentified flying objects trailing them as they orbited the Earth. The objects were described as bright, metallic, and disc-shaped, defying all known space debris or human-made technology. Despite clear visual sightings and even photos of the objects, NASA dismissed them as debris or reflections of space particles. But the astronauts were adamant. What they saw was something else, something unexplainable. Could they have witnessed alien technology in action? These 5 encounters offer a glimpse into the unknown, a reminder that, despite all our technological advancements, space remains a frontier of mystery. Whether these incidents were signs of extraterrestrial life, unexplained natural phenomena, or something else entirely, they challenge our understanding of the universe. What do you think? Could these astronaut encounters be proof that we're not alone, or is there a more earthly explanation? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more mind-bending mysteries from beyond the stars.